Hello everyone! Today I am going to make meringue, and it's gonna be very soft, very light, like a cloud. We're gonna roll it with very light, yummy cream, with mascarpone cream and fresh fruit, berries. You can use anything you want. I'm gonna use fresh berries. So first we're starting with room temperature egg whites. It should be egg whites, very clean, no egg yolks, and your bowl has to be very clean, no fat in it, nothing. So, and I am starting to beat it on a medium speed until it becomes like fluffy and white, like bubbly. Okay, after our egg whites started to get bubbly and fluffy, I'm gonna add sugar very gradually and slowly. It's shaping really nicely. So I added my vinegar, I'm adding my cornstarch and vanilla. Just a couple of teaspoons. So that's our beautiful meringue. See how nice and glossy it is. Beautiful. So what I'm doing right now, I have this big pan. I covered it with my silicone mat, and I am gonna pour my meringue on this pan. See how nice meringue is? It's not falling from the bowl. It's perfect. Alright, this is done and it goes into the oven. So a little trick. Right now my oven is preheating for 375 Fahrenheit. As soon as our meringue gets in, I'm lowering down the temperature for 350 Fahrenheit. And this is going to bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. It's gonna get a little bit like brown, very light brown color. You'll see when it's ready. Okay, so and I'll let you know like how much time it took me. So now I'm lowering my oven for 350 Fahrenheit and it goes into the oven. So while our meringue is baking, I've got here mascarpone cream, and this is my idea. You can just whip cream and use fresh fruit or berries. I'm using mascarpone cream. So this is cold from the fridge. And also I have cold cream from the fridge. So I'll start whipping my mascarpone on a very slow speed to soften it up a little bit. So while I'm softening my mascarpone, I'm gonna add my whipping cream. So basically right now I'm looking for the texture I like. So it should be like texture almost like a whipped cream, soft peaks. So we can spread this cream on our meringue after it cooled down. Mascarpone cream with whipping cream, and now I'm adding just a little bit of icing sugar. You can add as much as you want. I'm adding just a little bit because our meringue is going to be sweet, so to your taste. My cream is done. It's very nice and soft and texture is beautiful, and I think it will be great with our very light meringue. So right now we have to wait when our meringue is baked, and then and it will cool down, and then we're gonna continue to make this beautiful roll. You'll see. Meringue is all done and it took 35 minutes. It's breaking and crumbles. It's okay, don't worry about it. It's supposed to be like that. Right now I'm gonna to turn it around. And take off this mat. This is beautiful. It's very soft. So 35 minutes is maximum. And when it's done, just take it off the oven immediately. Don't let it stay there, otherwise it will harden and it will be very hard to roll it. So there our cream. I kept it in the fridge while it was baking, and now I'm gonna spread it all over my meringue. Right, I'm gonna use some fresh berries. You can use any seasonal fruit you like. Anything. Already looking beautiful, but now I have to roll it. Okay, it looks like it's breaking, but that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, so our meringue roll is all ready, and it's beautiful, it's light, it's amazing, and I decorated with the berries, and inside we have beautiful cream with fresh berries, and it tastes amazing. It smells in your mouth. So I hope you like this recipe, I hope you like this video, and I really hope you make this. Let me know how did it go, did it work for you? So, and I'll see you in the next video.